Okay, so all the shirts are finished now. I'll go in the week, I'll go and buy a few different other colors, and then I'll make the sizes for those colors. But I think they turned out quite beautifully. These safari shirts are lovely shirts. They nice for the summer. So what I'll do is I'll just make the other colors now, and then in preparation for the summer, and then we'll go to a few markets and start selling. I'm already taking orders, but we are moving into winter now, and uh, and I'm still busy with advertising as well. So we will see how it goes. But I think they turned out lovely. What's going to happen now is um, I wash the cloth, the textile before I do the sewing to allow for some shrinkages. Usually there can be up to 10%, but mostly around 5% shrinkage. And then it's ironed, and then I make it. So what's going to happen now is I'm going to take it now to the laundromat for a good wash and an iron, and they will package it for me, and then they are ready to be sold. So yeah, I normally put large buttons on them because the old safari suits had large buttons, but for some of them I did put small buttons with some pattern on it, just to give it a bit of a more modern look and feel. And but yeah, they are ready now. So I think the next colors that I will be doing is obviously the brown, because that's what I'm already advertising. And then I'm going to do black. I really want to do some black to see how it's going to look in black. But overall, I think everything turned out lovely. The side vents, I did some bias binding there just to round them off nicely. So I think that it looks good. Maybe I'll change the color also on the next ones. There's so many methods of doing these collars, but and I chose this method specifically for these shirts. But now I've decided I might just change the way that I do the collar to make sure that it's much better integrated into the shirt. I think there's about 4 ways to do the collar. The primary reason why I did the collar this way is to make sure that one gets a clean look when you integrate the front facing with the shirt. There's other ways to do it where you do you do the front facing integrated after the collar, and I didn't like that, but maybe now I will do it. But you can see here there's a nice clean look here. So I will decide if I do when I do the black, maybe I'll do a few shirts with the old method, and then see um, how it turns out. Okay, so they're going to go off to wash now and iron, and then they will be ready to market and sell.